Okay, guys, I'm going to show you my way of of installing a chain here. I already broke the link on the chain, on the old chain. This is the old chain, this is the new one, this is the new link. Now what you want to do is you want to attach your new chain to your old one, okay? Actually, a girl taught me how to do this. A girl showed me this. Then you pull the guy through like this. You take your time. It's almost like reeling in a damn fish. And this is making me want to go fishing, guys. Damn, I feel like I got a big one. Okay. There. Discard your old chain, get that guy out of the way. Man, I'll tell you, this chain is long as hell. I can't see how this is even, I cannot see how this is going to fit this motorcycle. No way is this going to fit this motorcycle. It is way too long, guys. This is, I'm going to have to take some links out of here. I mean, even if even with this pushed in all the way, this is not going to work. Guys, I'll tell you what we're going to have to do. Yeah, I mean, even if I bring this all the way back, there's too much chain. I got to take some links out of this. There's way too much chain on this, man. Way too much. Guys, I gotta put you on I'm gonna have to put you guys on leave, man. You know, and I ordered a chain for this, specifically for this motorcycle. Specifically for this, man. And they fucked me on it. They fucked the homie. I'll catch you guys in the future on the next video.